Let's get started. Creating customer value and engagement. For real-world examples, look no further than Amazon.com for a company with a passion for customer engagement, value, and relationships. Their dedication makes them the world's largest online retailer. They are a model for other companies that focus on delivering exceptional customer value. This chapter will review 5 learning objectives. Objective 1. Define marketing and outline the steps in the marketing process. What exactly is marketing? Marketing is a process where companies create value for customers and build strong customer relationships in order to capture value from customers in return. Marketing attracts new customers by promising superior value and grows a customer base for delivering satisfaction. The steps for the marketing process include understanding the marketplace and customer needs, design a marketing strategy, construct an integrated marketing program, build profitable relationships, and capture value from customers to create profits and customer equity. In summary, marketing creates value for and captures value from customers. Learning Objective 2. Identify the 5 core marketplace concepts that leads to understanding the marketplace and customer needs. Needs are defined as states of deprivation. Wants are the forms that needs take, and demands are wants that are backed by buying power. Market offerings are a combination of products, services, information, or experiences offered to a market to satisfy a need or want, while marketing myopia focuses on existing wants and losing sight of underlying consumer needs. Outstanding marketing companies go to great lengths to learn about their customers. The 5 core marketplace concepts are customer needs, wants and demands, market offerings such as products, services, and experiences, customer value and satisfaction, exchanges and relationships, and markets. Learning Objective 3. This includes designing a customer value-driven marketing strategy and preparing an integrated marketing plan and program. Marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets and building profitable relationships with them. 2 primary questions that merit discussion are: what customers will we serve, and how can we best serve them? Selecting customers to serve reviews 2 key elements: market segmentation, which divides the markets into segments of customers, and target marketing, which refers to which segments that are chosen to pursue. There are 5 different concepts associated with marketing management orientations. In the production concept, consumers will favor products that are both available and highly affordable. In the product concept, consumers favor products that offer the most quality, performance, and features. Additional emphasis is placed on continuous product improvements. In the selling concept, consumers will not buy enough of the firm's products unless the firm undertakes a large-scale selling and promotional effort. In the marketing concept, you must know the needs and wants of the target markets and deliver satisfaction better than your competitors. In societal marketing, the company's marketing decisions must consider the consumer's wants, the company's requirements, the consumer's long-run interests, and society's long-run interests. Learning Objective 4. Develop your customer relationship management plan and identify strategies for creating value for customers and capturing value from customers in return. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, is the overall process of building and maintaining profitable customer relationships by delivering superior customer value and satisfaction. There are 3 customer relationship levels and tools: basic relationships, which are low-margin customers; full partnerships, which are high-level customers; and frequency marketing programs which reward customers. This figure illustrates how companies can build the right relationships with the right customers. There are 4 customer relationship groups: strangers, who are customers with low potential profitability; butterflies, who are potentially profitable but not loyal; true friends, who are profitable and loyal; and barnacles, who are highly loyal but not very profitable. Learning Objective 5. It is all about the changing marketing landscape. Digital and social media marketing involves using digital marketing tools such as websites, social media, mobile ads and apps, online videos, email, and blogs that engage consumers anywhere at any time via their digital devices. Social media provides exciting opportunities to extend customer engagement and get people talking about a brand. Mobile marketing is perhaps the fastest growing digital marketing platform. The changing marketing landscape involves not-for-profit marketing growth, rapid globalization and competition, and sustainable marketing. Dramatic changes are occurring in the marketing arena. The digital age has created exciting new ways to learn about and relate to customers. As a result, advances in digital and social media have taken the marketing world by storm. Online, mobile, and social media marketing offer exciting new opportunities to target customers more selectively and engage them more deeply. The key is to blend the new digital approaches with traditional marketing to create a smooth, integrated marketing strategy. Thank you for reviewing this video.